In a sunlit workshop, a humble sedan begins a daring metamorphosis into a high-powered street monster. Engineers swap turbocharged hearts, tune custom suspensions, and weave smart sensors that monitor heat, torque, and grip in real time. Clever lightweighting and data-driven aero tweaks shave seconds off the lap and thrill the tech-hungry crowd. Behind every rivet lies a challenge solved with 3D printed parts, programmable ECUs, and precision welding. This episode showcases how creativity, engineering, and fearless experimentation collide to transform ordinary cars into autonomous, adrenaline-fueled legends.